Welcome to this National Bank Direct Brokerage video that will show how investors can access their tax documents and other related information on the NBDB platform. Once logged into your brokerage account, place the mouse over the Documents heading and a drop-down menu will appear indicating the different documents available. Please note that the documents available in this section will be kept for a period of 7 years. If you want to keep copies for longer, you will need to download them and store them securely. Let's start with the portfolio statements. They are produced on a quarterly basis, specifically at the end of December, March, June, and September if no transactions have been made in your brokerage accounts. Outside of those 4 months, if you have made transactions, a portfolio statement will be generated for the month in which the order was executed. You can filter your searches for a specific period by selecting the period for which you want the information. In this same section, an investor can also consult the annual report. This document will provide the investor with the annual return and any fees or commissions paid on their individual accounts during the previous year. Moving on to the next section, here we have the trade confirmations. This is where an investor can view the details of their transactions. These documents are published within 2 business days of the transaction being executed. An investor can search by time period or by selecting the buy or sell transaction as well as the market. We can also search by different product type. If we are searching for a particular security, we can enter the symbol in the box provided and see the results. The next section we will look at is tax slips. Here investors can find and download the required forms to help them prepare their tax return. By clicking on tax slip type, we can view the list of documents that are produced at the beginning of the year following the tax year for which your return is due. In this section, investors will also find their RRSP contribution slips as well. For those of us who have a non-registered account and have traded securities during the year, NBDB will provide a trading summary report which amalgamates all the buy and sell orders done during the previous year. Moving on, we have reports, which covers documents such as gains and losses reports, foreign property reports, and portfolio valuations. In most cases, these reports are produced on request for a fee. The Securities Lending tab appears only for customers who have enrolled in the fully paid Securities Lending program. This is where the daily and monthly reports are filed that provide information on the movement of stocks and exchange-traded funds when borrowed and returned, the lending fee and the interest earned during the month, and other information as well. Next, for investors that have purchased mutual funds with NBDB, the Fund Facts tab represents the list of fund facts investors would have received following a purchase, along with the date and method of dispatch. Finally, under Communications, investors can view our notices and publications. Here, investors will find our tax brochure and our tax and investment guides that can help them complete their tax return or any other relevant communications, such as regulatory changes or the NBDB commission and general fee schedule. This completes the overview in the Documents section. Don't hesitate to view our other tutorials.